Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I hope everyone is feeling really good this morning. We're still counting down to the first day of school together. 5 sleeps, my friends. We're getting close. We're going to talk a little bit more today about how school is going to be a little bit different. Let's do our calendar. So I moved our little red box this morning. Let's see if we can do the date together. What day is it today? Today is Wednesday. That's the day of the week. It's still September. That's the month of the year. And today is the 9th. The 9th. And 2020. All right, let's see if we can say it all together. Try it with me. Today is Wednesday, September 9th, 2020 or 2020. Well done, my friends. Now, for our lessons today, if you have a whiteboard and marker at home that you can use, I want you to grab it for our lessons today for language and math. If you don't have a whiteboard, that's okay. You can find some pieces of paper, just small white squares, because we're going to practice some writing today. So make sure you have maybe, kitty. Alma, say good morning. This is our kitty, Alma. Good morning, Alma. Make sure you have about 10 squares of white paper for our language lessons today, okay? I can't wait to see you all very, very soon. Bye for now.